Yes. Topic of glycolysis. The term glycolysis has originated from the Greek word glykos for sugar and lysis for splitting. The the scheme of glycolysis was given by Gustav Embden. The scheme of glycolysis was given by Gustav Embden and Otto Meyerhoff and J. Farnas and is often referred to as the EMP pathway. In anaerobic organism, it is the only process in respiration. It is the only process in respiration. And in the glycolysis anedi is the only process in respiration. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell and takes place in all living organism. In this process, glycolysis process, glucose undergoes partial oxidation to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. In plants, this glucose is derived from sucrose, which is the end product of photosynthesis, or from storage carbohydrates. Sucrose is converted into glucose and fructose by the enzyme invertase, and these two monosaccharides readily enters the glycolytic pathway. Glucose and fructose are phosphorylated to give rise to glucose 6-phosphate by the activity of an enzyme hexokinase. This phosphorylated form of glucose then isomerase to produce fructose 6-phosphate. Subsequent steps of metabolism of glucose and fructose are the same. The various steps of glycolysis are depicted. in figure 5.1. In glycolysis, a chain of 10 reactions under the control of different enzymes takes place to produce pyruvate from glucose. Pyruvate from glucose. Pyruvate from glucose. Pyruvate from glucose నుంచి pyruvate వస్తారన్నమాట. While studying the steps of glycolysis, please note the steps at which utilization or synthesis of ATP or NADH plus H plus taken place in this case. ATP is utilized at two steps. First, in the conversion of glucose into glucose 6-phosphate, and second, in the conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. The fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is split into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 3-phosphoglycerolaldehyde. దీన్నే PGAL అంటారు. We find that there is one step where NADH plus H plus is formed from NAD plus. So this is when 3-phosphoglycerolaldehyde 3-PGL is converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate BPGL. The two redox equivalents are removed in the form of two hydrogen atoms from PGAL and transferred to a molecule of NAD plus and PGAL అంటే ఇదన్నమాట. PGAL is oxidized and with inorganic phosphate to get converted into BPGAL. The conversion of BPGA to phosphoglyceric acid PGA is also an energy yielding process. This energy is trapped by the formation of ATP. Another ATP is synthesized during the conversion of PEP to pyruvic acid. Can you then calculate how many ATPs molecules are directly synthesized in this pathway from one glucose molecule? Pyruvic acid, then ఇది ముందు రావాలి. Then the pyruvic acid is the key product of glycolysis. What is the metabolic fate of pyruvate? This depends on the cellular need. There are three major ways in which different cells handle pyruvic acid produced by glycolysis. These are lactic acid fermentation, alcoholic fermentation, and aerobic respiration. Fermentation takes place under anaerobic condition in many prokaryotics and unicellular eukaryotics. ఫర్మెంటేషన్ చూడండి, ఇది మెనీ ప్రొకారియోటిక్స్లో మరియు యూనిసెల్యులర్ యూకారియోటిక్స్లో జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. ఫర్ ద కంప్లీట్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్ టు కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అండ్ వాటర్, however, for the complete oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water. So ఇదంతా అయిపోయింది. హవెవర్, ఏదేమైనప్పటికీ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ అడాప్ట్స్ క్రెబ్స్ సైకిల్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ ది anaerobic respiration. This require oxygen supply. ఓకే, క్రెబ్స్ సైకిల్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఉన్నప్పుడే జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. అది